Okay, it is 7:15, August 12th, and my nerves have set in for the Appleby comp tomorrow. The comp is tomorrow. It's 9:15. We need to sleep now. Okay.
Oh, good night.
Good night. Yo, we wake up.
Yo, you
yeah.
too.
Yeah, it's dark, so we turned on the lights. It is actually truly dark.
Okay, it's not that dark.
Let's turn on the lights and see how dark it is. It's like, that is dark.
Well, the comp is today.
It's today!
Yes, it's today.
Yes. Our cubes are in our bags.
I'm excited. I hope that we
I've transferred the snacks from one bag to the other. Wait, where's my other bag of snacks?
So, what we're going to say is, today we have events.
Your eyes look weird.
He has more events than me.
Yeah, and he has less events than me.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna record separate videos.
Yeah.
So, he is recording his side, his perspective, and I'm recording my perspective. But we're still gonna be in our own separate videos together. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't matter.
But it doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, bye. I think, yeah. Yo, this is just me. He's not recording.
His head is so bright. Okay, his head is so bright.
Okay, this is, can I say your name?
Yes.
So say your name.
Alex.
So he's with us. He has this bad EMS.
Okay, it's not that bad. The RS is worse. The GAN RS.
Yes, GAN RS 0 stars.
Anyways,
he knows how to beepa move.
I need to do good.
Yes, me too. And he needs to be a good spectator.
Oh, bruh. Cool. Look at this. You can't see outside. It's so bright outside.
It's so bright.
Wait, the CN Tower's right there.
CN Tower? Can you see? No one can see it.
Whoa, we can see. Wait, look at that. The CN Tower.
Yeah.
Wait, are we in downtown?
I think so. I like it too.
Wait, we're in downtown.
We're in Sherborne Street and Jarvis Street.
Yeah. Okay, let's stop there.
Okay, say bye and then end the recording. End the recording. Yo, we're at Appleby College. That was a very long ride. Bruh. And this is Alex right here.
Bruh.
Yeah. Say hi. Mama, say hi.
Say hi. Say hi to my camera.
Appleby.
Yeah, just say hi.
Yes.
Yeah, say hi, Alex.
Wow,
hi, bruh.
Okay.
He says bruh so much. Anyway, say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
And that's my dog. Say hi. No, he just rejected me.
So,
yeah.
We're just a few seconds away from.
A few seconds? I thought it was a few minutes.
Same thing. I don't know my minutes.
Yo, there's a giant globe. I'm not gonna show it.
Okay.
Anyway.
When we get in, we get our cubes out.
I love this view.
I'm gonna cut to us being inside, sitting there, doing something.
And I'm not. Oh, cubers in the back.
GAN 13 maglev. Definitely worth it.
Yo, there's cubers in the back that we do not know. Yeah, time to make some friends.
I already did once.
Yeah.
Hopefully I see them.
You made a square one.
Yeah, he inspired me to do square one.
Okay, I'm just gonna shorten this camera.
He inspired me to do square one.
Yeah, now he has a very good square one. It's a chi budget. He just, hello, come in. Hello, are you cubers? I'm not cubers. Okay. Are you the sponsor? Yo! Yeah, I know.
I'm buying it.
Yes, good.
Yo, I need some cubing back.
Yeah. Okay, should I end the recording and cut to the...
Let's cut to our
chase. Look at that. That's huge. This is exactly...
Okay, let's find a way downstairs.
Let's go.
Yes.
Okay, where's the name cards?
Matthew, where's yours?
Are you also?
Is this you?
I'm Matthew.
Chen, Matthew Chen.
That's you?
Chen.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes.
2017 for 6 years. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm competing in Megaminx first round. We need to find a table, yeah.
Don't let that one.
Yeah. Yeah, this front table. Yes. Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna go look
that's the stadium. I'm gonna put down my tripod.
I'm gonna go look at some cute.
Okay, just gotta put up my stand.
Matthew loves like
Okay, yes, a camera now. Okay,
I'm going over there.
record.
okay, here, scramble.
I'm going to go get merch. Okay, solve one.
You will need competitors in order
Okay.
to get the competition moving.
He's the judge.
If you're competing in group 2 for Megaminx, you are very likely judging for group 1. So please check your assignments on the website.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, it was 2 minute 33. Sadly, you couldn't see it. Okay, I'm ready. How am I getting such a good time? I didn't make a cutoff. So I didn't make cutoff. So I guess make your cube and go back.
I feel this.
Okay,
Yo, got a new mat.
So for Megaminx first round, my first solve was some 2 minutes something. You saw the scorecard, the camera just fell off. I didn't know my tripod could just extend. So anyway, I have no idea what's going on. So I don't know what time is it. Franklin, what time is it?
It is around 9:41.
It's 9:41, 10:35 is 3 by 3. So yeah, we're just chilling here and waiting and practicing. And that's Alex.
No, I do good there.
Okay. Okay, so I got the MGC 5x5. My mom got it for me. Thanks, Mom. So I'm gonna unbox it. I already took off the tape thing. Oh boy, I'm excited to lube it. It's so hard to open. I'm probably just gonna rip it. Yeah. Cause I don't need this. That. I also have this. So I'm just gonna hold it somewhere. Okay. The 5x5.
That's good.
It's opening so slowly. Okay, the box. Accessories and the 5x5. Oh. Let's open it.
You know what music hits hard when you keep?
I don't know where Franklin went. He got a cubing mat, the GAN mat. Got it. The MGC 5x5. I have to open the other side. So hard to open. Okay, the 5x5. It's sandy. I have to break in. Okay, I'm just gonna lube this. Another garbage. So much garbage. Okay, gonna put the box back. Well, I'm not gonna put it that way. Just gonna put it sideways like that. This is nice, but I need to break in.
It sounds not normal.
So I
That
need
sounds
to.
not normal and it doesn't feel normal.
It has to get break in, so it has to just do a bunch of solves and it'll be good. Oh, this is nice. I'm going to do a solve on this and just gonna report back to you later. And I finished the solve and I just got the PB straight off the bat. 2 minute, 44 seconds. And
Great record.
yeah, that was really good. And now this MGC is broken in. It's amazing. So yeah. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna end this recording. Okay, but actually I'm gonna continue it. Okay, it's about time. Yeah, we're going to 3x3 round 1. I mean round 2. No, this is group 2, round 1. Yeah. Okay. Let's stop now. Bye. Yeah. Me too. I want to get sub 20 average. Okay, just gotta set up this camera. Okay. Okay, ready.
So 20. Good job.
Thanks. Let me warm up first.
Franklin.
Ready.
Center. Richard.
Solve 3 is balanced. Solve 4.
Marcus William.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Marcus William. Number 6.
Ready.
Elsa.
Richard Tom. Richard.
Franklin. 1.
Solve 5.
That's what you need. Consistently, like 5 rounds.
Okay. Ready. I got my goal sub 20
let's go.
average.
Okay, so
Yo.
I'm gonna go.
So we're gonna eat lunch
wait
now.
for them.
Yeah, I'm 2x2 second round and judging and third round. So yeah, I'm so happy.
And yes, I have to judge for round 3 of 2x2. No, group
Okay.
2 of 3. No,
I am
group 3
so
of
happy right now. So we didn't actually make it into second round. Franklin is right there in the back. So we actually didn't make it into second round. The live results updated, so we're not in. Sad. Okay, it's 2x2, group 2. That's us. Yes, let's go. Anyway, GMS is warm up. So yeah, it is good.
GMS.
This kid in the back. Yo, shout out to whoever he is. Solve 1 2x2.
Okay, are you ready?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Ready. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, +2.
Okay.
That's +2.
So I'm gonna write
Just write
5
point
5.06 5
+2.
plus 2 equals 7 0.06 5. Okay, so
sign.
I sign it,
Yes.
and now you can sign it.
Okay.
Excuse me, is this the R2M?
No. Yeah, that's the ours too.
That is the R2M. Oh, pretty good. I
And
would
also,
like.
I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to touch my cube. And I'm not either.
Okay, so you can just put the cube here.
Yes.
Or you can just put
name
the
card,
paper.
and you get the runner. Okay, solve 2.
Oh, sorry.
Devin Murphy, station 1, Devin Murphy. Santiago.
Ready.
Tyler Pack, station 6, Tyler Pack.
Ooh! Nice.
Luke, station 5, Luke.
Okay, solve 3. Ready. I'm ready.
Hey, is this a Miss Scramble?
No, it's not.
RJ, station 1, RJ.
Okay, solve 4, I think. Ready? Okay. Okay, solve 5, final solve. Ready. I have finished group 2, round 1 for 2x2. Let's see the events. So I have one more thing to do, which is 5x5. So I'm just gonna warm up for that. So see you at 5x5. Okay, so 5x5 round 1, group 2. That's right now. Solve one. Ready.
Eight seconds. Hope it's too far.
So 2 right. Ready. Okay, so I have no more events. I am just judging, and this kid wants to mess up my recording. Yes. Okay, so yeah, see you at the end of recording. Judging 10 out of 10, very boring. So my MGC 5x5 is really good. So yeah, bye. Okay, so we're just chilling here because I judged for 2 rounds, and Franklin there judged for once. Twice? 2 rounds?
No, so I judged for
Like 2 rounds.
the final round.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're just going to the end of the comp. Okay, so we just chill here. We got a whole bunch of cubing out loud stickers. So time to apply
And I
them.
got a new cube.
So I'm just gonna keep my R3M safe right now. I don't want to get it like messed up because I'm gonna add that sticker.
You don't have an ass sticker.
I'm like Dan
I
PDF
will
from
soon.
Minecraft. He's like been around forever, but he's still shit.
Cube
So
that
same
out
like me.
loud.
I've been around for cute.
Okay, I have this. This 4x4.
I love this new cube. I
Actually,
love
MS.
this new cube.
It's not new. It's not new.
Yes, it is.
Not. Okay, Franklin, you're 5x5.
Okay, this 5x5 is trash.
Wait, let me try
You
it.
don't need to try it. It's fine.
Just let me try it, please.
Okay, let's see, which one should I add it to? Alex, which one should I add it to? My 2x2, my 4x4, or my pyramids?
Just
Okay, I'm doing pyramids. Which one?
2x2.
Okay, this one. Yes.
You're gonna use it that fast?
Yes. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put it on the yellow side.
I think you should put it on white so they.
There's no white side. I have to center this correctly. Did I center it correctly? It looks like a Cubing Out Loud sponsored this.
No, it doesn't. You didn't.
So I can't really fit the entire sticker on here. Can't really cover it, sadly. Wait, let's just get this sticker out. So let's see. I can't. I have to add it to the 4x4. Actually, which cube should I add it to, Franklin?
You haven't.
My R's 2M, yes. Okay, good. Okay, I applied the stickers. So yeah, good. So see you later. The comp just ended. Yo. Okay, let me get Franklin. Franklin! You want to say hi?
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour, what's going on?
The comp ended.
And
Okay,
did
bye.
you recorded that whole thing?
Yep, okay, bye.
don't forget to unsubscribe. Wait.
Oh wait, that's gonna be
No, it's subscribe and like.